Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create an AI wedding invitations video using Video 3. Okay, let's get started. First, we will generate an image for the starting frame using ChatGPT. Just upload a photo of you and your partner if you want the animations to look like you like this. But if not, that's totally fine. You can skip the upload. Next, just type your prompt clearly. Just describe your appearance like this. And then the settings like this, and even you can describe the aspect ratio of your image. Then just generate the image, and I have already made mine earlier, and here's how it looks like this. And if you are not satisfied with the result, just simply adjust your prompt and try again until you get an image that you love. And once you're happy with it, just download the image. Now head over to Gemini, and then make sure you already choose a video, and then just upload the image that you generated earlier in this area. Then just type your video prompt, like for example, like my prompt like this. Just be detailed. It can be include the looks or video styles, and then you can also describe whether the camera angle is static or moving, and then you can add the dialogue and the caption styles like this. And of course, don't forget to talk about your wedding dates and venue like this. And once that's done, just generate the video and you will get something like this, just similar to the one I made earlier like this. Let's play the video.
Everyone, we have something special to share. We're getting married on 17 August 2025 at Happy Hotel Pinus Grand Hall. Everyone, we have something special to share. We're getting married on 17 August 2025 at Happy Hotel Pinus Grand Hall.
Like this. In my result, the captions had a small mistake, but overall the video turned out great. You can just always improve your prompt to get an even better results. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.